6 o'clock in the morning. He's still sleeping, so I'll go ahead and do my stuff before he wakes up. Then we will continue what we are supposed to do for the day. We have a photo shoot today, so I'll pick up the clothes and get prepared. He's chilling in this bassinet. He's sleeping very well, as you can see. He wake up around 5 and I fed him and he went back to bed. So he's going to sleep. He'll probably sleep until 7 to 8 before he wakes up. Hello everybody. Today is Day in My Life video. Good morning. I just wake up. Baby is 1 month today. I'm so glad that you are here on my channel. So we're going to do Day in My Life video today, and I'm going to share with you what I'm going to do with baby today when I wake up in the morning. And also we have a photo shoot today. I'm going to do the photo shoot myself, so I'll pick up the clothes that we're going to do the photo shoot, and we will see what the days come by. And I'm going to tell you what is going on within this 1 month that we came home. It's been like a lot of lack of sleep and everything, but it's been going well so far. He's sleeping right now, so when I wake up like that, I have to rush downstairs, pray, do my devotion, and also make sure I pump before he wakes up. So let's see what we can do this morning before he wakes up. Then we will do a little chat, then we will do a photo shoot. So it's still around like 7:24 and baby is still sleeping. So I'm done with my devotion. I took my shower and I'm getting ready to pump, and I dress up as well. Belly is still there. We're gonna lose the weight. And I'm just wearing a light t-shirt and a yoga pants. That's what I'm wearing today. The belly is still there. I have to start exercising, and that's what I'm wearing today. No, nothing fancy. You still have to dress up even if you are staying home. It's very, very important. It makes your day go very smoothly and very nice, and you don't have to be in your pajamas all day, especially if you're a married person. Just saying. So I'm getting ready to pump. I set up everything on this desk. That's my little office that I have here. Then I'll pump so that I'll get something for baby before he wakes up. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I just finished breast pumping, and this is all that I have for this morning. I fed him around 5 o'clock and he's still sleeping, and it's about 2 hours interval, and I need to get some ready for him before he wakes up. And I normally want to pump like every 3 to 2 hours. So this is what I had this morning. So I'll go ahead and pour it in the bottle. Then when I finish pumping, I'll wash all my bottles to make them they are clean, because I pump a lot during the day. Like I said, I pump about 3 hours. Every 3 hours I try to pump, because I'm trying to get a lot of breast milk as I can, because I'm doing just a breast milk for now, at least for 3 months. So we have food ready for baby, so I'll go ahead and wash all my bottles. So before I wash the bottles, I soak them in the hot water, and always I don't wash my baby's bottles in the sink. I always have a bowl that I wash them in, 2 bowls, one for washing and one for rinsing. It's really, really good if you don't wash them in the sink. It prevents you from not getting like oils in them, and even no matter how clean your sink is, there's always something in the sink that can make the baby sick. So I don't wash my baby bottles in the sink. I always have a separate bowls that I wash them in. And it has helped me a lot for years that I've been doing this, because it prevents them from not getting sick. It's just me. Everybody is different. I'll go ahead and wash the bottles. And one thing I always do after I finish washing and rinsing, I soak them in the hot water. Yes, it's very important. It get rid of any bacteria, anything that will go into the bottle. So I soak them in hot water, and I'll leave them for a while before I clean them up and put them away. So I'm done washing baby's bottle. So I'll go ahead and check up on him to see if he's awake, or I'll wait for a little bit and I'll do my other stuff while the kids are not awake. It's very hard when you have kids. You wake up early and you do your stuff. It's very, very nice, and it sets you ahead. And one of the things I like doing in the morning that has been helping me drink a lot of water is that I'll grab the bottle of water and I'll pour it in my bottle here. The weather is getting very cold, so I'll pour them here. It takes about 3 bottles, and I'm trying to drink 5 of these bottles a day. It's very, very important when you drink water. It helps you to get a lot of breast milk, and also you wouldn't stay dehydrated, which it can make you sick. So I pour it here. Then I'll pour some in this glass as well. And for this one, I'll warm it. I'll warm this one and I'll warm that one. And I have my slide of lemons that I slide and put them in the fridge. And I'll grab a couple and put them in this one. So I'm gonna, before I eat anything, I'm gonna drink this. The weather is getting cold here, and a lot of cold flu and cold is going around. So I'm trying to prevent myself not to get sick. So I drink this every morning, almost every morning. At times I drink ginger, turmeric, all those stuff to prevent myself from not getting sick. So just this, I let it sit for a while for the lemon to infuse in the water, and I'll drink it. Then this will be my water for the day. Water is really, really good. At times, if you are trying to stay healthy, you just have to go back to the basic, and water is one of the best. So baby is awake. Yeah, he's getting ready to get food. See how he's making the mouth so cute. Yeah, so baby normally sleep in the sleep sack. I really, really love these sleep sacks. They cover the legs, and the weather is getting cold, so it really, really helps. Instead of wrapping, I put on the sleeping sack and I'll put on a heavy blanket. So I'll go ahead and, oh, he doesn't want to listen. I'll go ahead and remove the baby's sack, then change the diaper. Then we will go downstairs for him to eat. Then we will sit down and do a sit-up video a little bit to tell you what baby is doing and how mommy is doing as well. Oh, he's hungry. He doesn't want to keep quiet. Say that. He needs food. Say hi to everybody. Say, my name is Junior. Welcome back to my mom's channel. I'm doing a 1-month update for baby. As some of you know, I was scheduled for a C-section on my 39 weeks, and it went very well. I have a video about it, so if you want to watch, I'll leave the link in the description below and also up there. Yeah, so this is the baby. He's 1 month old today, and he is doing very well, except that he's not been sleeping a lot. He wakes up like about 2 to 3 times in the night, but now, as of last night, he wakes up like twice, which is good. When we came back home, you want the pacifier. When we came back home from the hospital, he was waking up a lot, and I have to change my schedule. I have to change everything, the way I do stuff. But I'm trying to come back to my normal routine that I wake up early, do stuff before baby wakes up or before the other kids wakes up. I already have 3 kids plus newborn, which is 4. So it's very, very challenging if you don't do stuff before they wakes up. Yeah, like I said, when he gave birth, he weighed about 7.2. When we went for 1 month appointment, he weighs about 9. So that was a very big gap. And it's okay for him because he's been eating a lot. I'm strictly breastfeeding. I'm trying to be strictly breastfeeding. It's very challenging. I have to pump a lot. I have to sit down for hours to breastfeed him. Oh, here we go. He has a hiccup right now. He gets a lot of hiccups. It kind of bothers me, but it's okay. It's normal. It doesn't bother them. So it's okay. It's just gonna be away. So that's what is going on with baby. Today, because it's 1 month, I'm gonna do a photo shoot by myself. And you see the photos around as well. He's growing big and strong. The other siblings are helping. One thing that if you are a new mom, you have to know is that if you have other kids, make sure you get them involved. Teach them some petty things that they can do to help. I have a 10-year-old and he's helping me a lot. He helped me breastfeed. Like when I put the breast milk in a bottle, he feed the baby for me. Like when I'm changing baby's diaper, I have a 2-year-old and I'm telling her, please go put in the trash for me. That's help. Like you showing them petty things, and it really go a long way. You think they've not been watching, they've been watching what you've been doing. So, oh, here we go. He's gonna stretch. It's okay, baby. You don't want them to see. Say hi. Say hi to your aunties and uncles and your friends. Yeah, you always get hiccups. Yeah, and for mom, if you're a new mom, one thing I have to tell you is that ask for help. I know it's COVID. It's very hard to get people to come help you. But if you have a husband, they are in the house, ask for help. At times, I have to ask my husband to go take nap in the afternoon because I'm so tired. I couldn't sleep in the night because baby was waking up. Ask for help, like in terms of changing baby, ask for help. Like when I came home, because I did a C-section, I couldn't do most of the stuff. I asked for help. So one of my moms come in and bath the baby for me, because for my culture, we have a way of bathing baby. So she comes in the night and bath the baby for me. So ask for help if you need help. Don't just sit down there and say, oh, I can do it by myself. No, you cannot. It's very hard if you're a new mom. And also for me, I've been eating a lot of healthy stuff so that I can get breast milk. One of the easiest way to get a lot of breast milk is to drink water. That's one of the easiest way, apart from eating like other stuff. So I've been drinking a lot of water. I make sure I get my water in throughout the whole day so that I can get a lot of breast milk. And also, I'm going to, since baby is 1 month old, I'm going to start exercising. Not really a lot because I'm breastfeeding. I wouldn't do a lot of like heavy exercise. I don't like doing a lot of heavy exercise, but I'm just going to start walk at home, which I put on a YouTube video, then I'll walk with them. So that's what I'm going to do so that I can lose the baby pounds. I didn't gain a lot, but I was in the transition of losing weight. So I'll go ahead and continue to do that as well. And also there's a lot of stuff. And one thing I always tell myself is that if I feel comfortable and I'm happy, the baby become happy too. So I don't stress myself a lot. I just go by the day at a time. And I don't put a lot of pressure on myself that, oh, baby doesn't have this, baby doesn't have that. And there's a lot of people who know that you've given birth, and they will come in. Like my neighbor brought me muffins. That was really great. My other neighbor, when we came home from the hospital, they mowed our lawns for us. That was really, and we really appreciate all that. And also, I have a lot of people coming in bringing diapers and wipes. That's really something like you really have to appreciate, and I really appreciate all that. That one alone is even help. I don't have to go out and buy wipes and diapers because people are bringing me some. We have friends bringing us rice. I was really surprised. Normally when you give birth, people bring you diapers and wipes. Some people brought us rice, and that's really helpful. So don't just be there and thinking that, oh, nobody knows, nobody cares. No, people are there who are really want to help, but because of COVID, they cannot help. And they can come in, drop the stuff, and talk to you, say hi to them. And if you are going through any depression after birth, I don't normally get that. I haven't experienced depression after death, but I have friends who have. I haven't gone through that. And like I said, I take day after day. I don't put a lot of stress on myself. I ask for help. If I need help, I'll go ahead and ask for it. If I need to rest, I'll go ahead and rest. So that's what is going on with me and baby. We really appreciate everybody, those who gave us gifts. We really appreciate it. Those who are praying for us, we really appreciate it. You see, he still has the hiccups. He get hiccups a lot, and I feel bad for this little one, but it doesn't bother them. He's so cool with it. Okay, say hi. So we're going to do a photo shoot. So these are the clothes for the baby shoot. This cute clothes. I love this. Our great adventure. Yes. And it comes with 2 colors. The white one and this with the hat. Then I also have this that we are going to do. I think I was supposed to do this at the hospital, but I didn't do it. So I'll try and see if I can do it today. And I'm going to use this for his 1 month. Like every month I will showcase with that one. So that's cool. So let's go ahead and open it up. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. God bless you, and I will see you in my next video.